This is ANN News Brief.
Doctors Without Borders MSF says measles epidemic in the Democratic Republic of Congo has killed more than 2,700 children between January and August. That number, it says, is higher than the total for Ebola deaths in the past year. MSF's head of mission in DR Congo, Carol Jansen, said 23 out of 26 provinces had been affected by lack of routine vaccination hygiene. The prevalence of conflict and high numbers of displaced people had contributed to the spread of the disease. Jansen told the BBC that very little has been done to combat the measles in the DR Congo despite a national epidemic being declared in June. He says an epidemic as this is a consequence of years of neglect. Doctors are facing what he called the biggest measles outbreak ever seen in more than 10 years in the DR Congo. He added that only $2.5 million has been raised out of $8.9 million required for the health response plan. MSF says it has vaccinated nearly 475,000 children and supported more than 27,000 patients since the beginning of the year. Police in Uganda say at least 10 persons have been killed when a fuel truck exploded in flames after losing control and ramming into 3 cars on Sunday in the west of the country. A statement issued early on Monday says so far 9 burnt bodies have been retrieved from the scene and transported to Lugazi Health Center for further post-mortem analysis and DNA profiling. Police said another body was still trapped under the truck. We'll return after this message.
Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
A Kenyan chef has set a new world record for the longest time spent cooking after cooking for 75 hours non-stop. Maliha Mohammed began her attempt on Thursday in the coastal city of Mombasa at 10 local time and ended her cooking marathon at a local restaurant on Sunday. Mohammed prepared 400 dishes, including local and international recipes, most of which she offered to shelters and orphanages. If verified by Guinness World Records, she will have beaten the official record set by U.S. cook Rika Lumpkin, who cooked for 68 hours, 30 minutes and 1 second in April 2018. Mombasa's Governor Ali Hassan Joho has congratulated the 36-year-old Maliha for becoming the first African to break the record. He attributed her win to the entire African continent. That's ANN News Brief. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.